how to get a Costco membership card. So here, what we want to do is just go search for Costco membership. You can do this on your phone as well, and click on the first link that pops up, Costco.com, join Costco. It will be taken to this screen, join Costco, and we have the executive membership as well as the Gold Star membership. Here's how much they cost per year. So 130 for the executive membership and 65 bucks for the regular membership. You also have business membership if you want to select those, but I'll just go with personal membership here. You can see the details and all of the information, and you can just click on start saving. Once you click on start saving, this is going to take us to the membership application process, and we will need to provide information such as our first and last name, date of birth, our street address, zip code, city, email address, the state that we are located in, and we also need to confirm our email address and provide our phone number. Afterwards, here we can just click on save and continue, and as the very last option, you will see person within household. So one free card is available to anyone over the age of 16 and living at the same address. So if you have a person that meets this criteria, here you can provide your information, and then you will, like I said, click on save and continue, and you will have applied for a Costco membership. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.